Okay, hi buddies. Hope you can hear me. If you can hear me, type hello. If you can hear me, do let me know where are you from. Yep. Do let me know where are you from. Are you from the United States? Are you from Canada? Are you from Asia, Singapore? Or where are you from? Do let me know, so that I know you can hear me very clearly. Yep. Do let me know if you can hear me. Let me look at the comments. Oh yeah. Do let me know if you can hear me, yeah? Hope everything is okay. Do let me know if you can hear me. Let me see if everything is okay. Great. I think everything is good. Okay, do let me know where are you from. Are you from United States? Type US. If you come from Canada, type CA and etc. Hi, Ramesh. Okay, great. All of you can hear me. I think it's great. Let's begin right now. Let's begin. Okay. Let's begin. Okay, great. Do let me know where are you from. Hi, Bajal. Where are you from? Hi, Ramesh. Where are you from? Are you from Middle East? Are you from United States, etc.? And we shall begin. Yeah. Yes, today I got something special for you. Just for today. Wow, Ramesh from Singapore. Okay, great. Okay, let me share my screen. I got something amazing for all of you because hiding for many years. Wow, great. Bajaj. Hi. Okay, great. So today I got something amazing for all of you because for the last few days, a lot of you has been asking me like, what do you think about certain stocks? Like some of you ask me, what do I think about Amazon? What do I think about, Yihang? What do I think about Baidu and etc. So I'm always asking myself, what stocks can I invest, or what company can grow 10 times or more than 10 times in the next 5 years? I always ask myself that question, which means I only want to invest in business that can scale. Not only scale, I want to invest in a business that can scale really fast. So I researched and finally I found one. That has very high potential to scale more than 10 times in the next 5 years. Okay, if you are wondering what will I be sharing tonight, and let's make a guess, what is the stock that I most probably will be sharing tonight? And tonight I will also share roughly at what price will I enter. I want to be upfront, I have not entered the stocks yet. If you know the stocks, I think it's quite obvious. It's near the title of this video. Do type the stocks down below. Yeah, do comment down below the stocks that I will be sharing. Yes, and let's begin. Any one of you from the United States? Usually I have a lot of United States friends watching my live and etc. Yep. Oh, let me take a look. Okay, let's begin. Let me share my screen. Yeah, along the way, feel free to comment down below. Comment down below if you have any questions along the way. Yep. Oh, our friend here, Chow Lopez, is from the United States. Cool. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so today I'll be sharing with you these stocks, which is Datadog, DDOG. Okay, can you type below DDOG so that all of you know what is the stocks that I'll be talking about? Type DDOG. Yep, all of you type DDOG. Okay, the more you participate, the more you can absorb as well. Okay, let me continue. Today I'm going to talk about DDOG. So what exactly is DDOG? What they do? Why personally I think that they will scale really fast? What is the reason I'll support with the statistics? And before we end, I will share with you exactly what is my opinion of these particular stocks and what I will be doing with it. Will I be putting the watch list, or will I be buying this coming Monday, or exactly what price will I be buying? Okay, I spend like more than 3 to 4 full days researching about this one stocks, and I want to share with you the summary of it in this short session. Okay, in this video, you'll discover a few things. Number one, how Datadog, DDOG makes money, Datadog stocks. Okay, and number two, the financial of Datadog. Is it a good stocks? Is it a not so good stocks, and etc. And number three, why Datadog may skyrocket, in my opinion, in a very short time. Okay, and is it a good time to buy right now? Okay, and lastly, number five, okay, what is my personal action and opinion regarding this? What will I be doing to this? Will I just be putting away in my watch list, or what exactly will I be doing? Hi Ramesh, great, type DDOG. Okay, so how Datadog makes money? Let's go. Datadog, okay, in the based on annual report, Datadog is the monitoring and analytics platform for developers, and it is for IT operation teams and business users in the cloud age. Basically, whenever a business need a cloud or need a lot of data analytics and need like some short form of collaboration of different data. Let's say you have AWS here, you got Microsoft Team, you got Google Docs. You want to combine all of them together and save much more time. Datadog is the way. Yep, and Datadog is used by organizations of all sizes, even big or small, and across a wide range of industries. And it helps to accelerate time to market for applications, reduce time to problem solving, and also understand user behavior and track key business metrics. Yep. Hi from Scotland. Hi Golden. Yep. If any one of you have heard of Datadog as a business, I mean not the stock, as a business, type yes. Type yes. If you have not heard and this tonight is the first time you heard about this particular business, type N. Let me know. If you have heard of it, type yes. If you have not heard, type N. Yeah, I want to see how many of you have heard of this particular business. Okay, so what exactly is Datadog? Let me make it a bit more easier for you to understand, simplify it. So, for example, a lot of businesses has, logs here and there, cashier, and they have their own platform. They use different platforms. Some of them use Oracle, some of them use SAP. I mean, there's so many software out there. Okay, so what does Datadog helps? Datadog help to combine all the software that the company is using, combine into one little platform, and then pass this combined platform to its team like IT team, security team, support team, so that at one glance, the team member, the organization can apply it and save lots of time. Yep. Okay, let me give you an example. Just now, I mean, like right now, I'm in Asia. Right now is at night. Okay, around 6 hours ago, I had a lunch with my friend who is working in a hotel line as an accountant. So as an accountant, sometimes the ledger, the accounts doesn't tally. Okay, she have to go and problem solve it. Like they are using Oracle nowadays, and then the payment gateway, they're using like this software called Aliens. So when customer paid by Aliens, and then the accounting system doesn't tally, my friend as an accountant, they have to go one department and ask for it, another department and ask for it, and how to tally these two systems together, which is very troublesome. My friend like nearly spent more than 3 hours just to solve this one problem. But with Datadog in line, if their company really use Datadog, immediately within 5 minutes, she can see what exactly is the problem and solve that immediately. Can you see that? So Datadog is allowing company to save time and effort. Yep. DDOG. Yep. Great. Okay. So where does the revenue come from? How does DDOG makes money? Okay. DDOG generate revenue from the sale of subscription. Is a subscription-based company to customer using the cloud-based platform. The terms of our subscription, which is DDOG subscription agreement, are primarily monthly or even annually, with the majority of the revenue coming from the annual subscription. which is good because customer immediately pay upfront payment of annual subscription to DDOG, and DDOG immediately receive cash upfront. I think this business is great. Okay, so this is one of the, this is a Datadog website. Datadog have so many services like infrastructure, serverless, and etc. However, this is one of the system called APM. So you can see that their system is not very expensive. It charges its customer the basic ones like $31 per host per month. But of course, a company or a large company doesn't have one host. Yes, a lot of hosts. Maybe every department has 3 hosts. So maybe this department pays like few $1,000s per month. Yep. So this is some example. And this is some example of Datadog's customer. Some of you might think that Datadog is a very small company. In my opinion, it is not very small. It is small in terms of listed company, but it is not that small. It has customers like Shell, like Alamo, AMC, Aviva, and etc. Yeah. So these are some of its customers. Yeah. So you might be asking, so how does the customer benefit from it? Let me play a short video for you so that you understand why this is so powerful. Yeah. So after this, you will know that why Datadog is so powerful and it is able to attract so much customers to its platform. Yep. Let me play this short video for you.
So because so many people rely on PagerDuty for their own incident alerting, it's really, really important for us to stay up all the time and to know when things are broken. So monitoring is critically important for us, and observability is key because when we have an outage, we really, really need to figure out what the problem is and resolve it really quickly. Datadog is our primary source of all our alerting. We use it for most of our monitoring. Obviously, the PagerDuty integration is super important to us because we need to let ourselves know when things go wrong. We use the AWS and Azure integrations heavily because they're, our cloud providers, so that's pretty important to us as well. That's one of the things that's been really great because when you're running multiple cloud providers in multiple availability zones, multiple regions, we know that we can send all of our data to Datadog really easily, and we don't have to deal with having multiple servers in multiple regions to collect metrics and then aggregate them in some way. The biggest thing for me that I really like about Datadog is that the best infrastructure to have is no infrastructure. So we don't have to worry about running our own servers and managing all the alerting because we know that Datadog is going to take care of that for us.
Yeah, so you can see this shows that Datadog really is adding value to so much company. And let me give you some example. This is the website of Datadog. Yeah, Datadog have customers such as Peloton, PagerDuty, which what we saw just now, and Evernote, and etc., and Airbnb. So all these big company, not only small company, huge companies like Airbnb and etc., they are also using Datadog as a platform as well. So let me continue. Okay, so these are some examples. So key benefits to Datadog's customer. Why customers love Datadog? Because it is able to accelerate digital transformation. It helps, like what I mentioned about my friend as an accountant in hotel. Okay, Datadog can help to reduce time to problem detection and resolution, and can increase the productivity of the whole company, and it improves agility of development, operations, and business team. Okay, this is whatever I read from the annual report and research, I summarize into these 4 pointers. Okay, and it enable operational efficiency. Can you see that? So if using this platform, and let's say this company has been making like $1 billion every year, but if this platform is able to help the employees save time and allow the company to be more efficient, if the company make extra $0.1 billion that year, so the company revenue instead of 1 billion, it becomes 1.1 billion. So is it worth it to use Datadog? Definitely it is worth it. Yep. So Datadog growth strategy. As Datadog as a company, what is their growth strategy. And this is why I love them. They want to continue expand customer base by acquiring new customer. Okay, later I'll be sharing with you how they acquire new customer. It's crazy good. Okay, and expand existing customer base through broader development, new use cases, and new product adoption. Basically, have more upsells. Okay, so expand technology leadership through continued investment and new products. Basically, they want to have new products in order to serve their customers even at a higher level. Yeah. And they are able to expand customer base internationally, not only in the United States. Currently, they have base internationally. Yeah. So let's take a look at the financials of Datadog. Okay. Just in case you are not there, or maybe you are sleeping. Okay, can all of you type F? F stands for financials. If you are ready for financials, type F. And I'm going to share with you the amazing financials of Datadog. Okay, type F, yeah. And while you are typing F, let me have some KitKat. Oh, this is not a normal KitKat. This is a KitKat Go. Yep. Type F, yeah. Great. Ramesh, thank you so much. At least I know that you are still alive. Just kidding. Great, Natalie. Natalie, where are you from? Are you from the United States? Are you from Singapore? Do let me know, yeah. Thanks. Okay, let's begin. Financials. Datadog has just IPO'd around last year, 2020. So, based on the 3 years financials, you can see that their revenue is increasing like crazy. It's increasing at 80%, 60 to 80% every single year. Please tell me, which business can consistently increase at such a high pace? 60 to 80% each year, you know. No joke. Let me share with you. From around 200,000, of course, this is in thousands, so it's around 200 million. Okay, but in this case, 200,000 to around 360,000, which is around, wow, 80%. And from 360,000 to around 600,000, which is around another 70%. It's so crazy, yeah. And why is it that they can grow so fast? Let me explain to you. Because they are spending, or I can say they are investing so much money. All the money that they make as revenue, they invest a lot back to sales and marketing and research and development. Okay, and in my opinion, these are not really expenses. Okay, this is actually a part of investment. Okay, and as a growth company, they need to, reinvest. Okay, and as a shareholder, I'm very happy that they reinvest. They are not hogging to the cash. Okay, they are reinvesting to build a larger database, larger, audience, customer, and etc. And let me share with you. I mean, later I will be sharing with you why. Okay, it's partly due to the CEO drive. I love the CEO. It is young, it is driven, and it's visionary. Yep. As you can see, once again, not only the revenue has been increasing like crazy, okay, for the past few years, the gross margin is super high. The gross margin is average at 75%. This is crazy. Hi, Mask. Wow, my friend here. Okay, can you type 75%? This is crazy. I mean, there is not much company, or I can say rarely, I found any company that has a gross margin of 75% and above. This is crazy. Can all of you type 75? So when I researched this company, I found that, wow, this company is amazing. It has such a high margin. Okay, can all of you type 75? Okay, let me have my KitKat. 75. I hope to treat you my KitKat as well. This is a KitKat Go. Let me. Yeah, KitKat Go. Hope you have some KitKat. Okay. Continue, yeah. Hope you have some fun. Yep. Yep. Our Musk mentioned that some data processing companies have major margins. You're totally right. Yep, totally right. Okay, software company usually have large margin, and I love it. Just like Alibaba, its cloud business have large margin. Let's continue. Okay, and the cool thing is, guys, why I love this company, because it has positive cash flow. If a company doesn't have positive cash flow, I'm actually quite worried for them. But this company has positive free cash flow. That means the company have cash on hand. It's good, but however, there's something to take note of. Okay, currently, because it reinvests so much money back as research and development and etc. Okay, it is because of that currently the company is still making losses, net losses. Okay, can you type something? I mean, I don't want to just paint you a good picture. I want to share with you the pros and cons. Net loss. Can all of you type net loss so that you remember? Although this company is going fast, but it's still a net loss company as of now. Type net loss for yourself to remember, yeah? Okay, so based on statistics, this company is growing at a rate of 66% per year. Of course, I'm being conservative. Okay, they are growing 96% the first year, 80% the second year, and third year they are growing 66%. Okay, so can y'all see how crazy this company is growing? Okay, so you can see, wow, the company quarterly, this is not yearly, guys, buddy, this is not yearly, this is quarterly. Every single quarter, the revenue is increasing. You know, as some other business, it is more seasonal. Maybe like e-commerce, maybe during the fourth quarter, it will go up. Maybe second and third, maybe not so good. So it's up and down. You know, like maybe car industry, fourth quarter, it is better as well because a lot of people took their bonus and buy their cars. But this company is different. This company, every single quarter, I know no matter it's Q1, Q2, or even Q4, every single quarter is increasing. This is powerful and this is great. I'm so excited. Okay, let me take a look. Musk has been asking me some stuff. Yep. Thanks, Golden. Thanks, Musk. In my opinion, correction again, upside. Oh, great. Thanks for sharing your opinion, Musk. You're saying that the market may correct soon. Okay, thank you very much. 100% Alibaba. So my Amazon shares. Wow, great. Thanks a lot, Musk. Wow, even your profile picture is Alibaba. You're a diehard fan. I haven't analyzed Datadog yet. Yeah, I'm right now analyzing for you, so you can save a lot of your time. Yeah, Elon Musk. Data on the company is growing 70% per year, expected for next 5 years. Okay, cool. I will definitely take note. Dada, thank you so much, man. I mean, like our friend Elon. Okay, let me take a look. Dada. I mean, of course, not now. I'll definitely take a look. Yeah, thank you so much. I have already written down. Okay, let us continue. And why Datadog may skyrocket, in my opinion. Okay, let me share with you why. Okay, number one, the quarterly revenue run rate is crazy, has been increasing. This is the number one reason why I think they will skyrocket very soon. Of course, this is my opinion. Can you take a look? Every single quarter. This is not year, every single quarter. And I hardly find any company or rarely saw any company that can grow every single quarter. Okay. Not only that, they are not only growing every single quarter in terms of the revenue. You can see that. Okay. From 2012 to 2018, the revenue has been increasing really steep. And some of the reason is not only how do I put it? Not only did Datadog acquire new customer, Datadog also cross-sell and upsell to its existing customer. That is why the revenue went up as well. Yep. And the net retention rate is really high. Yep. So you can see that every single year or every few years, the company is growing and innovating. Yep. So you can see this is the history of Datadog. The Datadog found a real-time unified data platform. After that, they also founded or discovered or added this particular function, which is infrastructure monitoring. After that, they added this function APM, followed by logos, followed by UX. So you can see that the function keep increasing. The services, number of services keep increasing. Therefore, customers of Datadog have more, are able to buy more services, are able to purchase more services from Datadog. And this will allow Datadog to have more services to provide to the customers and make more money in return. Yep, this is really powerful. Not only that, recently you can see the date is so recent, in February 2021, which is around 1.5 months ago, Datadog is growing so aggressively, not only to acquire new customer and also acquire businesses. Buddy, it acquires one of the antivirus, like antivirus company, yeah, a cloud security companies called Screen, yeah. Okay, not only that, Datadog also acquires Timber in February as well. Acquired Timber Technologies, okay, which is the developer of Vector. So a company that wants to grow have a few ways to grow. Number one is to acquire more customers, which is normal. The other way is to acquire businesses to increase the number of service and also increase the number of database. So right now, Timber's customers are also belongs to Datadog. Screen customers are also belong to Datadog. So all of them make more money. Can you see that? If you understand what I'm trying to say, can you type U? U stand for understand. If you understand what I'm trying to say, type U, guys. Yep. Wow, our friend here, Elon, have a short summary for us of what is his opinion regarding Datadog. Wow, thanks so much, Elon. Okay, one of the reasons I really love this business is because of its visionary CEO. And this CEO is also the founder CEO. He's also the founder, okay? It's called Olivier Pomel. Okay, let's listen to what he wants to say. And after you listen to his short speech, short interview with CNBC, you will know why I'm so passionate about this Datadog and why I think that this particular CEO can bring Datadog to move much faster than I ever imagined. Yeah, so let's take a look.
Talk to me about what's coming next, because Rosenblatt Securities was talking about your emphasis on R&D and maybe squeezing profits in the near term, but really opening up a broader opportunity for growth down the line. How are you thinking about that mix between R&D spend versus profitability?
Yeah, so we actually had a very good year in 2020 for profitability. We grew 66% for the year with 14% in free cash flow, which I think in a way it's hard to ask for more than that. The business is not any different. I think we could be profitable quite a bit if we so wished, but we're at the very beginning of what's a very large opportunity. The whole world, like companies big and small, are moving from legacy IT to public and private cloud, and we're investing to capture as much of that market as possible. So the truth of it is, this year we're planning to hire as much as we can without breaking the company, basically, so that we can capture that market.
Okay, great. Before I share with you my opinion, can all of you just type in one sentence? Can all of you type in one sentence? What is your opinion of this CEO? Do you think that he's aggressive? Do you think that he's too ambitious? Or do you think that he is too optimistic? I mean, like, just share with me in one sentence. What do you think about this CEO after listening to this 30-second speech. What do you think? Can all of you just comment in one sentence? Come on, let me know in one sentence. What do you think about this CEO, Olivier Hormel? Okay, before I share with you my opinion, I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear from you. Okay, let me give all of you 10 seconds. Come on, just type. What is your opinion of this gentleman? Yep. In one sentence, I mean, come on. It can be short. Just one sentence. What do you think about this gentleman? Yep. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Great. Okay, so my opinion, if you have listened to him particularly, he did mention that he wants to reinvest a lot of money into sales and marketing, into the business and R&D. Okay, at the same time, he did not want to break the bank account of the company. So having this mindset, I love it, because at this stage, Datadog is a very young company, very young and small company. They have to grow. It cannot be stagnant. You have to grow, and it have to grow really aggressive, which I really like his method of doing stuff at the moment. And that is why you can see that the company is growing exponentially in terms of revenue. He can give up the income. Just now you mentioned, he mentioned something like he can the CNBC host mentioned that, wow, he's going to give up the net income for growth, and he said yes, he's going to do it. Okay, so is it good to buy DDOG right now? I mean, like, based on what I mentioned, wow, the business is good, the business is fast, the CEO is good. But I mean, the business is good or not is one thing. Whether the price is reasonable for us to buy now is another story. So is it good to buy now in terms of my opinion? Okay, let's take a look. And why am I taking a look at the stock? Why am I looking at the stock price right now? Because I realized that the stock price have dropped tremendously for the last 1 month. Okay, from 9th of February to around today, 1.5 months maybe, the stock price have dropped 26%. Okay, so in my opinion, such a solid business, in my opinion, or fast, okay, I do not say solid business, I mean fast growing business, and the business is growing every single quarter, yet the stock price is dropping. In my opinion, it might be an opportunity for us. Okay, however, once again, whatever I'm sharing in this whole session is purely for entertainment purposes. Okay, if you want any like financial advice, do look for your licensed financial advisor. Yeah. Okay, let me continue. Drop 26%. So let me share with you the chart of DDOG. Okay, so this is the chart of DDOG. It has dropped for the last 1 month. Okay, and it just IPO'd around late 2019. So in my opinion, I have drawn this. What is this? This is my support line, and it has a very strong support in my opinion at $75. Currently, it is around $87. So in my opinion, if I really want to buy this company, I will not go all in. Of course, I want to be upfront. I will not go all in. I will go in bit by bit. Okay, I have not really studied the company finish yet. I have not done studying or researching the company. I'm just so excited. I have been researching for the last 4 days. I'm so excited, and that is why right now I'm dying to share with you in details. And along the way, do ask me any questions right now. I'm so happy to answer every single question that you have, because I just researched the company for 4 full days. I may miss out anything, and feel free to let me know if I miss out anything. Yep. Okay, so in my opinion, if I really want to enter, which I have not decided yet, I'll enter a bit at around $76, $80. Somewhere here, I'll enter a bit. Yep. And if they drop again, they'll enter a bit again. Drop again, I'll enter a bit again. Yeah. So because I mean, like, all of you have to remember, stock investing, it is not a sprint. It is not like, wow, all in. I mean, doesn't work that way. Okay, it is a marathon. It's a marathon. It's a long-term thingy. Yep. Okay. Let me take a look at based on valuation, like what our Elon friend mentioned just now. Okay, based on valuation, because the company is not making any money yet, we should look at this thing called price to sales. Yep. Let me take a look. Price to sales. Okay, price to sales based on Morningstar currently is around 43, which is quite high in my opinion. Quite high, which means it is currently quite expensive. Therefore, I will not go in big. If I really want to invest, I will not go in big. If I really want to invest, I will go in bit by bit. Okay. Of course, I said only if I'm investing. Okay, but currently I'm still in a researching stage. I am not trader. I'm not a speculator. It's like whatever is good, I will just throw my money there. I am not. I mean, I'm not saying you are that. I mean, I am not like that. Okay, I always do my own due diligence, and I always avoid being FOMO, which is fear of missing out. Okay, so right now I'm still in the midst of researching, and I want to share with you upfront what am I researching, how am I researching, and my findings as well. I hope you benefit from this. Okay, let me take a look at some questions. Our friends here, from valuation wise, what price do you think is reasonable for DDOG? In my opinion, okay, very good question. I think this is a very good question. Let me go to my Guru Focus. Very good question. I love it. Okay, DDOG. I like to look at the average. Let me share with you usually what I see. Okay, let me go to PS. Valuation wise. Okay, thanks a lot. I mean, I love this question from Jeremy Keck. What price do I think is reasonable? Very good. Okay, I don't use what price do I think is reasonable. At what valuation do I think is reasonable? Okay, so you can see that based on his history, DDOG, when it just IPO, the PS is 11 and currently it's around 45. So in my opinion, a reasonable one will be somewhere 30-20, which I think is 20 to 30. I think is really reasonable for the PS. In my opinion, of course, in my opinion, because why am I willing to pay so much? Even 20 to 30 is a lot. Okay, but why am I willing to pay? Okay, so much for the stock. Okay, because I love the growth rate. I'm paying for its growth. I'm paying for its growth. Yes. But once again, although 30, if the stock price really drop towards PS 20 to 30, I will not go all in as well. I will go in bit by bit. Once again, I will do dollar cost averaging because I can never catch the bottom. I mean, yeah. Jeremy, I hope I answered your question. Wow, Angel is here. Okay, Jeremy, I hope I answered your question. If I answered your question, type yes, man. Okay, Jeremy, if I have not yet answered your question or not yet understand your question, maybe I hope you can ask me again. Yep, Jeremy, I hope I answered your question. Yep, let's go. Okay, Elon, what does Elon says? I'd rather buy CRM. Okay, cool. If you don't mind, high entry, low 200 for CRM. Okay, I love cheap. Okay, cool. I will take a look at CRM, yeah. Okay, thanks a lot, Elon. Your name is really cool, Elon Musk. Amazon has a price to sales of around 4 and better diversified. Okay, cool. Amazon is definitely good. I'm not saying Amazon is not good, but personally, when Jeff Bezos stepped down, I mean, I did not invest in Amazon, but after Jeff Bezos stepped down, I will definitely not look at Amazon in the same way again, because I personally prefer the CEO to be the personally. I mean, ideal wise. I mean, Alibaba also do not have this, but ideal wise, I prefer the CEO to be the founder as well. So some example are Tesla. The CEO of Tesla is Elon Musk, and he is also the founder. And another example is Square. So I invested in Square. Square CEO is Jack Dorsey, and Jack Dorsey is also the founder of Square. Can you see that? So you must be asking why. I mean, like, why is this important? Of course, this is ideal case because when the company is being led by the founder CEO, the founder CEO, no matter how little or how much it is being compensated, the founder CEO will have this emotional attachment to the company. And emotional attachment cannot be valued using money. It's like, okay, maybe let me give you an example. Jack Dorsey from Square, CEO of Square. Square is being founded by him. So he definitely have this emotional attachment. Definitely he want the best for Square. Because some CEO, they are just doing their job. I mean, some other CEO, they are also employee. They are just being employed millions of dollars each year and do their job. And to them, they treat it as a job. But to most of the founder CEO, it is different. Most of them treat differently because there's an emotional attachment. They want the best for the company because they actually born this company out starting from scratch. If you understand what I'm trying to say regarding founder CEO have more emotional attachment to the company, if you understand what I'm trying to say, can you type U? U stand for understand. Only if you understand. Yeah. Of course, this is my personal opinion because I manage a company, so I know a hired CEO and a founder CEO is different. Yep. A good CEO, a hired CEO can be damn smart, can be super innovative, but definitely not as emotional attached as a founder CEO. Yep. Of course, these are not written in the annual report. We have to do our own research. Yeah. Okay, Elon, what do you say? I can analyze any company in a few minutes. I look at P&L. I mean, Elon, I agree and I disagree. I have to say, you can analyze a company really fast based on quantitative. Yes, I can also do that. But for qualitative, for real understanding of the company, we need to dig in. What is the company is thinking? What is the track record of the leaders? What is the ownership? Are they planning to sell their shares? I mean, this is what I did. Okay. But yeah, this is my opinion. I love Alibaba. I also love Alibaba. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Datadog has to be priced. Wow. Okay. Thanks a lot, Elon, for sharing your opinion. I really appreciate it, Elon. Okay. Thanks a lot. Okay. Any other questions from any of you? I'm very happy to answer any questions that you have. Okay. Datadog. Wow, I really love Datadog. I mean, like, the way they drive the company, the way they innovate, the way they cross-sell, and the net retention rate is crazily high. I'm so amazed by the net retention rate. Yeah, let me show you something amazing. Okay, right now, I mean, like, I'm open for Q&A. Please ask me any question. Our friend here, LH, what do you think about TDOC? TDOC. Okay, hold on now. Before I go to your TDOC, hold on now. Let me show you something. Let me show all of you something. Okay, this is a DDOG. This is based on summary. This is based on my growth focus. You can see that every single quarter is no joke, guys. Every single quarter is growing. It is not every year. It's every single quarter. So it's so predictable that Datadog next quarter, the revenue will increase. The growth may be faster, it may be slower, but the revenue exact value, most probably, very high likely, it will increase. Okay, and I love predictable company. And you can see that the debt has been increasing. Yes, agree, but the power of cash has been increasing as well. So the amount of cash can cover the debt anytime. I love this type of company. It's really conservative. And then you can see that the free cash flow has been increasing. I love it. Okay, so this company on the surface, of course, this is my opinion. On the surface, it looks like the net income is negative, but actually it is positive. Why do I say so? I mean, maybe this company is making like 300 million per year for last year, example. But instead of saying that, wow, I made 300 million this year, they didn't do that. Instead, they make 300 million. They take all the 300 million, throw in into the research and development and increase their product. and acquire more business as an investment and grow as a business. Can you see that? So they are not so hurry to declare that they have net income. They are more hurry and they are more aggressive of growing their market share and growing their revenue. And after I heard about the CEO, I'm so amazed by him as well. Yeah. And if you understand what I'm trying to say, can you type U? Come on once again. And one thing I want to share with all of you, the management, based on what I researched, there is 2 founders, and both founder still has a large portion of shares, which is more than 4%. Both founder. Yep. And you can see a lot of founder, they are already liquidating till like less than 1%, less than 2%. But for them, they hold like around 4%. I love this type of leaders because they have a lot, not only emotional attachment, they have skin in the game. Skin in the game. Yeah. I really, really love it. Yep. And one thing I really love it, they are young. I love young CEO. Okay, maybe this is my perception or maybe this is stereotype. I love young CEO because young people usually have the perception that they will drive. They have a drive. If a CEO right now is 67 years old, I mean, I'm not saying that 67 is not good, but it gave me an impression that this 67-year-old CEO may not be as driven as a 43-year-old guy. He may be more laid back and try to, have more profits and give out as dividend to shareholders. And I'm not saying that this is bad. I'm saying that this is not a company I want to invest in. Okay? I want to invest in a fast growing company and a company that have visionary CEO and etc. Okay? So let me pause here for a while. Any questions so far? Any question so far? Yeah. Just now we have one friend talking about TDOC, Datadog. Wow, Datadog, this is not bad. I mean, based on what I just searched. Is our friend still there? Our Datadog friend? If you are still there, can you say hi, our Datadog friend? LH, if you are still there, type Datadog. Yup. If you're not there, then I shall skip. Yeah. If LH is still there. Okay. Rudy. Okay. Rudy mentioned something. Is Palantir a competitor of DDOG? No. Palantir is not a competitor of DDOG. How do I explain? Let me see whether I got any. I can't explain. Okay. Basically, Palantir is like analytics company. Okay, they have their data and they help you analyze everything and give you. Datadog is not. Datadog is not AWS. Datadog, how do I put it? Datadog competitors is not Alibaba Cloud. It's not AWS. Okay, it is not all this. Datadog is helping you as a customer or you as a business. For example, your team is using Google Drive. Okay, but your accounting team is using Stripe, using Square. Okay, your sales team is using maybe Fastly or Salesforce. I mean, you have like 5 different cloud or 5 different platform, right? Datadog is the one that combine all these 5 so that your whole company only look at one platform, which is Datadog. Yeah, it combines everything into one so that when you click one button, you can access everything. Yeah, this is how Datadog works. Okay, it combines everything to simplify into one. So you can still use your G Drive, you can still use your whatever, okay? But if you want to simplify at one glance how to control everything, Datadog. Yeah, okay? Okay. LH, you are still there. Okay, great. I just saw your Datadog. Okay, let me share my screen and share with you what I saw about Datadog. Interesting. Okay, Datadog, wow, it's increasing really fast. Okay, I mean, like, this is the first time I saw this company, but I have to say Datadog the revenue is increasing super fast as well. Okay, wow, let me look at the speed. Wow, this is growing, wow, as fast, or I can say faster in terms of revenue than Datadog. Wow, this is interesting, but I have not dived in yet. Okay, however, the free cash flow is negative. Okay, but I do not want to like put a strong opinion of this company, good or not good, but I'm quite amazed by the revenue growth. Yep, but the free cash flow had to take note of. Okay. However, I do not want to jump into any conclusion because I do not know how they make money, who is the CEO. I don't jump into any conclusion. But at one glance, I only can say that it's a very fast growing company. However, it is a they are growing dangerously because they have negative cash flow and etc. Okay, this is what I want to share in one glance. Okay, it doesn't mean anything. I hope you're okay with it because lack of time, I can't zoom in LH. I mean, like, hope you understand. Okay, but if I have time, I'll definitely take a look. T-Dog. Okay, T-Dog. I'll just write it down. Thanks for telling me about this company. Really appreciate it. I mean, like LH, I hope you get what I mean, yeah? Fast growing company, but currently the cash flow is negative, so is currently dangerous. Okay. Okay, LH is saying that, okay, thank you, you should look into it. Love this business. Okay, definitely, I will definitely look into it. Wow, you are so passionate about this. Where are you from? Are you from United States? Are you from Malaysia? I mean, like, where are you from? I'm just curious. T-Dog has many competitors coming to steal their market share. Okay, maybe. I have not looked into it yet. PaySafe. Okay, interesting. PaySafe. I heard about it, but I have not looked deep into it. Something you like. Okay. So many of you gave me suggestion. I mean, thank you so much, man, guys. I mean, appreciate it. BFT PaySafe. I mean, like, before I invest in any stocks, I always ask all of you to do your own due diligence. And I mean, same applies for me. I mean, I'm walking the talk. So before I buy any single stocks, I definitely zoom in and understand what the hell is the business about. Okay, because every time when I want to buy a business, I'm not like buying like 1 month, 2 months, sell away. I'm not that type. I mean, I holding it for years or minimum at least for months, because I'll make sure the business is something I want to hold, something that I want to invest. I want to have part of the business. Okay. Thank you so much, Rudy, Elon, and LH. Thank you so much. Alibaba has spent 30 billion on cloud computing. Yes, Elon. I mean, like, that is why I'm aggressive and convicted in Alibaba also. Okay, but Alibaba got pros and cons. The pros is it is so big, and it has so much cash. This is the pros. Okay. However, the cons is that I did mention in one of my live video. The cons is that because it is so big, it is unable to move or unable to grow as fast as smaller company. Of course, this is the cons. But what I'm looking forward is the cloud company. And just let you know why I found Datadog. It's all thanks to Alibaba. Because I zoom in and look at the whole Alibaba business, just to share with all of you, this is how I found Datadog. So Alibaba has so much business. They have e-commerce, it has Alibaba Cloud, it has a digital business, it has Alipay. I mean, it has so much. So 60%, 70% of the revenue come from e-commerce. We know that. And it has been growing for 30%, which is pretty good. However, the Alibaba Cloud is small. I mean, like, only 8% of the total revenue. Small business segment. However, this 8% is growing almost 50% every single year. So when I know that Alibaba Cloud is growing at 50%, I dig in and I understand about cloud business. Then from there, I understand that cloud business is the way to go, because cloud business can scale. Can all of you type scale? I love business that can scale. I realize that e-commerce, you can scale, but you need more logistics, you need more manpower, and etc. Cloud business is much easier to scale, and the margin is much higher than e-commerce. And after I understand about this, I searched for cloud business, and from there I saw Datadog. Okay, I'm not saying that Datadog as of now is the best. I mean, as of now, I saw that it is interesting. That's why I zoom in, and I think it's really interesting. And that's why I can't wait to share. And that's why I share with you in this live. I hope all of you appreciate it. Okay, I'm halfway done. I'm not like fully understand. I want to be upfront. Okay, I'm halfway done, but I can't wait. So I want to share with all of you immediately. Yeah, and due to Alibaba Cloud, I found Datadog. Yes, this is how it started. Yeah. Okay, I think. Okay, cool. 20% growth. 20% is too slow. I mean, like, Alibaba is already 50%. A big company, cloud business can grow at 50%. So anything below 50% to me is, it's not good. Yeah, for cloud business. Yeah, I swing trade there before. Okay, thanks. Okay, LH has Okay, talk to Rudy. Yup, Netflix, Roku, first mover. Okay, thanks for sharing, LH. I mean, definitely appreciate it. Alibaba Container will be bigger business. I totally agree that there's a possibility that Alibaba Cloud right now is a small segment of the business, but 10 years later, it may become the majority of the total revenue. Maybe, and high chance. I do agree with you, Elon. I do agree. PS Data Company. Okay. We have around like a few minutes before we end. I mean, guys, let me know whether you enjoy. I mean, maybe all of you entered this session at different timing. Okay, I started at around like 1 hour ago. Right now, yeah, 1 hour ago. So some of you entered 15 minutes later, and some of you entered 30 minutes later. But I want feedback with all of you. I mean, like feedback from all of you, because I want to improve as a content creator as well. Do comment down below, like, what do you think about this live? I mean, like, is it fun? To you, is it very informative, or do you want more of such, or what? I mean, do let me know in the comment down below. I mean, do let me know in the live chat session. Do let me know. What do you think about this live session? Do you want more of such session, or do you hope that I schedule this live session way beforehand? Because I scheduled like around 2-3 hours before. Or do you hope that I schedule like 3 days before so that you can think of this timing? Or what do you think? Do let me know below, yeah, feedback. Or how do you think I can improve? Or maybe I need to comb my hair to become more handsome. Or maybe I should wear my suit, or I should eat more Kit Kat in front of you. I mean, what? I mean, like, let me know. Come on. I want to know what is your feedback of me, because it is not about me. This video is about you guys. It's about you. I'm doing not for myself. I'm doing for you. I mean, like, to be upfront, I need not share with you. I can just do my own research. I buy the stocks myself. I'm doing all this just for you. So I want to know how can I improve so that you can have a better experience or better learning journey. Yep. I mean, in 1 minute, just let me know in one sentence, yeah? And then we will end. Do let me know. I mean, like, I really want to know how can I improve and how can I add more value to you. Let me take a look. I mean, like, other than Elon, I mean, the rest of you, I mean, please let me know, yeah? I mean, it's all about you. I think good interaction, maybe you can use like a platform to analyze more companies. Maybe compare and explain why one company is not good. Okay, thanks for opinion. I mean, all of your opinion is really, I really appreciate it. Okay. I mean, other than that, I think Elvis suit one time on Elvis Day. Elon, you must be kidding, Elon. Okay, thanks, Jonah. I mean, I think the heart shake is like more on appreciation. I mean, thanks a lot. I mean, everything is thanks. I mean, can share some stocks for good for options. I mean, options. If the stocks is good, you can do options. You can do selling of options. I mean, in the past, I always teach about selling options and buying options. You can buy call or sell put. I mean, if the underlying must be good before you do options, yeah. So Shiva, I mean, before I talk about options, your underlying must be good. Or 1D, more like 1D. I mean, long time no see. I mean, just to confirm, are you the 1D from KL, Kuala Lumpur? Because, I mean, yeah, if you are, can you type just KL so that I know? I mean, I miss you. I mean, I miss you and your family. Yeah. It has been some time before we met. Yeah. Okay. Let me take a look at all the feedback before we end for today. I mean, I really want to have feedback. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, 1D. I mean, I miss all of you. Because of COVID, we can't travel. Okay, Rudy mentioned maybe you can do a stock like I said on the stocks you don't own, then there won't be buyers. Okay, quite contradicting. I mean, like, Rudy is quite contradicting. I mean, like, okay, I will definitely take it seriously, because a lot of you feedback mentioned that please share with us good stocks. But eventually, when the stock is so good, I eventually consider owning. Just like this Datadog, I have not owned a single cent, but I am thinking and considering. I'm still in the considering stage. Yeah, I'm still digging down further. Okay, so for you is maybe something I don't own, I can also dissect. Okay, maybe I will take a look. I once had dated a girl with the guy so Elvis look. Okay. Interesting, Elon. Interesting. Thanks, Elon. Oh, yes. Thanks, Wendy. Okay. Yeah, something like DDOG then. Okay. I mean, like, I really appreciate all of you, like Rudy, I mean, Elon, Ramesh, I mean, all of you. I really appreciate your feedback. Yeah. Okay, just before we end, I hope you can do me a small favor, which is all of you like this. Come on, all of you like this. All of you like this video so that this video can be pushed to more people based on YouTube algorithm, can push to more people, and more people can learn how to dissect and invest safely. Because I see so many people out there. I mean, not any one of you. I mean, I saw a lot of people out there outside of this community. They have been like, buying and selling shares like gambling, treating the stocks like gambling, like speculating gambling then. Okay, so I do not wish that to happen. So all of you like this so that a lot of people, more people can be educated to know the step-by-step basis of how to analyze and invest in stocks, and they can make a long-term income just like all of us here. Yep. Okay, I hope all of you have okay, wait, hold on, yeah. Okay, for those of you who are in Asia, I hope all of you have a great night and have a good sleep and have a great weekend. And for those of you who are in Europe or North America, I hope you have a great day ahead. And today is a public holiday for all of us as well. I hope you have a good Friday and have a blessed weekend. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a great weekend ahead. I really appreciate every single one of you who commented and every single one of you who gave me feedback. Thank you so much. I will work harder and analyze more good stocks and share with every single one of you. I hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.